Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch. Congenital, adjective, congenitally, existing at or dating from birth, having by nature a specified character, innate, innuendo, noun, an indirect implication, insinuation, hint, introducing a parenthetical explanation. Mutations that cause situs inversus can lead to a number of serious disorders, including congenital heart defects. About half of babies with Down syndrome are born with congenital heart defects. We estimated associations between congenital anomalies and exposure to traffic-related air pollution in Barcelona, Spain. Congenital infections are responsible for 2 to 3% of all congenital anomalies, making the perinatal diagnosis important. Peripheral nerves can be injured by congenital, mechanical, thermal, or chemical causes. It turned out that I have Graves' disease, a congenital autoimmune hyperthyroid condition that I'll have for the rest of my life. The mountain ranges formation was due to a series of congenital geological processes over millions of years. Sodium valproate is associated with a greater risk of congenital malformations, and its use is discouraged in women of childbearing age. These infections can spread directly through the neurovascular foramina or via congenital or acquired bony dehiscences. His death was attributed to an irregular heart rhythm, the result of a congenital defect. Infants with congenital muscular torticollis who were treated earlier had a shorter treatment length. Among classic intersex conditions, the most common are congenital adrenal hyperplasia and complete androgen insensitivity syndrome. Many people believe him to be a congenital liar, substantial loss in prerogatives of the presidency. Not knowing these issues lead us to misdiagnose patient as congenital absence of pericardium primarily. Since then, they have used fetal surgery to treat a variety of congenital conditions, developing the minimally invasive endoscopic technique in the mid-90s. Iran could become a stabilizing influence in a congenitally unstable region. It's going to be full of innuendo. It's going to be full of hearsay, triple hearsay, double hearsay, rumors, guesses, speculation. With lawyers so ready to offer justifications, the problem of innuendo and smokescreen defenses would seem to be an insoluble one. The press can create mass chaos and defamation by putting out all the rumor and innuendo that floats into the intelligence agency. There is little information as well as a lot of rumors and innuendo. People demand to know what happened. In the operating room, everybody gets into a kind of dance with one another using humor and sexual innuendo. He argued that the prosecution's case was filled with speculation, innuendo, assumptions, and mischaracterizations. It is also an invitation to undermine competitors with innuendo and the implicit threat of uncovering something perfidious. There are plenty of instances in recent history where the innocent were assumed guilty by innuendo and media hysteria. Only years later did I understand that Maria was a woman who spoke directly, not a woman who dealt in mysteries or innuendo. He remained defiant Friday, accusing prosecutors of using innuendo and faulty evidence to convict them.